Morning student, my name is Anand Pichhe. In this video lecture we have focused on to the transitions effect. What is transition effects? That is important. First of all, what is transition effect? Transition effects is when one slide is converted to another slide and the gap will be fulfilled by a certain effect that is called transition effect. You can apply the transition effect a particular slide, single slide as well as all the slide. How we will implement it? Just there is the step. We have to move on to the transition tab and transition to this slide group appears on the ribbon that display the multiple transition effect. Click on the mode that show the lots of transitions effect. We select any effect option from the transition to this slide. If you want to apply the transition on the particular slide, you can use like a curtain, prestige, this kind of slide effects we can apply it, as well as we can also use the sound option during the transitions period of the slide, and it will be also controlled by the timing group. There are the list of sounds that any one of effects of sound we can apply onto the full slide and that will be performed, and duration of timing of sound will be controlled by the timing group. After that we have click on mouse click, or after on mouse click we can implement it, or there is the option advance automatically to next one after next one slide. What the slide ratio come onto one by one, we can apply the same effects and the same sound effects. Both are same the transitions effect and same the sound effect in all of it by the apply to all option, and finally we start the slide from the beginning and in the slideshow, and whatever we mix through the transitions effect it is going to display, and which kind of sound effect we have add, both are make our presentation very effective. So student, we have to do in the practical manner. How we can do in the practical? Already I have opened the PowerPoint presentations. In PowerPoint presentation we have in the first slide how this one is the transitions effect. There are the various transition effect. Suppose we have applied the checkerboard is the first slide. In the second we have applied the ripple. Okay. In the third we have applied the vortex. These are the sound effects. Transitions effect we can apply the particular slide. Next one we apply the gallery. Okay, gradually there are the list of effect we can apply the different options. Here there are the lots of sound windows. Okay, then after that we have applied the anyone effects from here. Peel off. These are the transitions effect that can be applied onto. Here is the sound effect. We can also select the number of sound here, like a breeze sound. We have select it here. We set the duration like 350 minutes and apply to all. The sound is going to the apply. On mouse click we have check or uncheck. After check it is going to the apply automatically one by one. Okay, we reduce the timing here. That we set the 4 minutes. Now student, we have set the different transitions effect and a bridge sound that will be displayed one by one on each effects. Okay, how we implement all the effects and the sound in the practical manner, we show onto the slide show. We have clicked on the slideshow option and you have find out this as the first slide that contains the different effect. After 5 seconds it is going to the change in with different effects that show the second slide, lockdown period slide, tips for the student, that we have already set the different animations effect on your tips. Next you have find out the slide transition. It will be displayed in different effect. At particular time you find out a bridge kind of sound we have applied onto the each effect. Okay, so it is easy to way to create the slide transition and sound effect practically we are both together in a slide option. Thank you and have a good day. You can try it in practical manner.